So we covered Process Explorer for Windows systems, but right now let's see whether there is a similar app or similar program that can allow us to monitor different processes currently running on our machine for Linux and macOS. Well, there actually is, and it's called Htop. Now, Htop is a process similar to Process Explorer, and it will give a bunch of different information regarding different programs or processes that are running on your system. Now, it runs on both macOS and Linux, and to download it on macOS, you simply type brew install Htop, and it will download it for you, while on Linux, you can use the regular sudo apt-get install, and it will install the Htop for you. Okay, now once you have it installed, what you want to do to run it is simply type Htop, and it will open the program. Now you will notice it doesn't look that user-friendly compared to Process Explorer, but it does cover similar things. So let me just enlarge this a little bit so we can see everything better. And here are the current processes running on this macOS device. Now we have different columns right here, such as PID, which is process ID, the user that is currently running this particular process, the PRI is process priority, and a bunch of other columns right here, such as S, which is the current state of a process, and the command, which simply just shows you how this process was started and who started it. You also have some information about CPU usage, as well as virtual memory that's being used for this particular process, as well as the time of how long has this process been running. Okay, now you can monitor it like this, or if you want to learn more about it and figure out which commands you can run, you can simply just type H and it will open the help menu where you will see what else can you do with this program. For example, let's go back. If we type letter T, it will give all the processes but in a tree output. So we will see processes and sub-processes, such as this one right here. Now to undo this, in case you don't want it, you can simply just press T again and it will undo the tree version of showing the processes. Backslash right here will open the filter down where you can type any process name if you want to find it. For example, we know what hprotect is, we covered it, so let's see whether we can find it. Hprotect, and here it is. We can see hprotect service right here. And you can filter it simply just by typing the name, so it's rather easy to find a certain process. Now let me just close this, and another useful command is once you select a process and you press K, it will kill the process if you have enough permission to do so. Now I'm not going to do that right now since I don't want to kill any of these processes, but you can if you want to. And that would pretty much be about it. If you want to quit the program, you simply just type Q. And this Htop is similar to the top program, which looks kind of like this. It gives the same output, but it's even less user-friendly. So I do advise that you use Htop instead, because at least it has some color to it. Once again, if you want to furthermore explore this program, type H and you will see all the available commands that you can run with this tool. Awesome. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lecture.